This is 2018 Toyota Sienna. We're going to change out the radio. Customer purchased a Android radio and with a whole bunch of modules. We're going to change out. The first part we're going to remove is top trim here. It comes off. Second part is to remove the shift knob. Next part we're going to do is to remove this bezel. It comes out like that. Then we're going to remove this after that. So the entire panel comes off like this. Carefully remove this. I'm going to unplug it. Okay, so get rid of that. Then we're going to remove 10 mils. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to disconnect all the harnesses.